I am in the woods at a friend's place, and he pointed out this tree. Check this out. This mango is massive. Look at this thing. I'm gonna have to stand back so you can see how incredibly massive it is, but look at that. It's been through hurricanes and wars, revolutions, and it presses on. That is a heck of a mango. Right here in the middle of all this shade, but it makes its own, so the canopy up there is getting plenty of sun on top, even though down here is quite dark. I'll stand in front of it just a second. Look at how big it is and how small I am. If I make myself look even smaller, the tree looks even bigger. Can you see that? Look at how big the tree looks now. Huh? Huh? Yeah, so that is, you could make a table out of that, but you wouldn't want to because you'd rather have mangoes. Anyhow, there's just a short moment with David the Good. Thanks for watching. Until next time, may your thumbs always be green.